What's up people? The name is Sky and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be sharing with you how to make easy oven toaster cookies. Now if you could still remember my video about making easy oven toaster brownies, well, ito kasing dalawa na to ay ang aking quaranthings. Ang quarantine season kasi nag-practice ako mag-bake ng cookies and brownies using oven toaster. Mahilig kasi ako sa cookies and brownies and usually kapag conventional oven talaga yung ginagamit ko, minsan tinatamad ako because kailangan pa siyang i-preheat and etc. etc. So that's why nag-practice ako na gamitin ng oven toaster, especially for those lazy days. This recipe is perfect for beginners, especially kung hindi mo pa na-try gumawa ng cookies and nag-decide ka na gusto mong matuto mag-bake. Well, this is the video for you. So without further ado, let's get started.
Are you one of those people who wants to try and bake some cookies but do not have a conventional oven? Well, this recipe is perfect for you. Here's the list of ingredients that you'll need. So the first thing that you're going to do in making oven toaster cookies is to get a clean bowl and mix all of your dry ingredients. So there's my flour, and then my 3/4 cup of sugar, and lastly my 1/2 teaspoon salt with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And now just mix all of these dry ingredients together using a wire whisk. Now it's time to put our wet ingredients. Here's my 2 eggs, and then the butter that I melted using a microwave. By the way, make sure that the butter has been cooled down before putting it together with the eggs, because if it's still hot, well, you're going to cook the eggs. I actually made a mistake in the last part, guys, because I should have mixed the vanilla extract together with the butter and the eggs. So now, medyo mahihirapan tayong i-mix siya. But yeah, mas maganda if you mix it along with the other wet ingredients. If you would notice, the cookie dough that we have is a little bit harder than what a cookie dough usually looks like. It is because an oven toaster is much harder to calibrate than that of a conventional oven, which is why we need a more stable cookie dough, or else our cookies would just melt. Once you've mixed all of your ingredients together, now it's time for us to prepare our baking pan. There we go. Next, line your baking pan with wax paper para hindi dumikit yung cookies doon sa pan. Make sure that you've cut up the correct size of wax paper, and then afterwards, just cut it here. Now let's prepare to bake our cookies. For this, I'll be using a measuring spoon, 1 tablespoon to be exact, para pantay-pantay ang laki ng ating cookies. afterwards, use a measuring cup or anything with a flat bottom para i-flat natin ang cookies. You can use baso or whatever you have at home. Now, I'm just going to use a teaspoon para ayusin pa ang shape niya. Now it's time to bake our cookies. If parehas tayo ng oven toaster na gamit, you can just bake it for 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. But if you're using a standard oven toaster, you could just bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once your cookies have finished baking, just let it cool down and you can serve it to your family, your friends, or whoever you want to spend time with. And there we go! Here's the energy and macronutrient content of our oven toaster cookies per serving.
And that is how to make homemade cookies that is perfect for beginners and perfect to share with your whole family. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any questions regarding this recipe, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments down below. So that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Just a reminder, smile to make your day brighter. This is Sky signing off, and I hope you all have an awesome day.